Today I'm talking about the how, what, and why of AC adapters. The company F1TP sent me AC adapters for different cameras that I have that will show as examples of what you can do with them, why you want them. Let's get started. First, let's start with why you'd want an AC adapter for your camera. So when I'm doing all these YouTube videos, I'm filming B-roll, just adding a lot of pieces here and there. It's very nice to have a setup with a camera, attach the AC adapter, and I don't have to mess with power. Another good example is doing any type of streaming with your camera. If you have a decent dedicated camera that's capable of doing some type of long form video recording, streaming. For example, I use the Canon EOS M50 through USB. It can't be powered through USB, but having the DC coupler plus the AC adapter combination is very nice for that. I did a test with the Canon EOS M6 Mark II for about an hour or so with one of the F1TP adapters, and couplers worked just fine, didn't have any issues. If you do photography, you do macro photography, any type of stuff indoors where you need to spend a lot of time messing with the camera, adjusting settings, repositioning it, maybe changing lenses, everything else, you can easily use an AC adapter instead of a battery. Let's take a look at these F1TP adapters in more detail. We have the F1TP ACK-E17 for the Canon EOS M6 Mark II. Basically, any camera that uses the LPE17 should work with an adapter like this. Inside, pretty simple. You've got the AC adapter itself, you have the coupler, and another cable that attaches from the adapter to the power at the wall. Obviously, the coupler looks just like a battery. Here we've got the ACK-E12, which is for the Canon EOS M50, 50 Mark II, and a bunch of other Canon cameras. These specific AC adapters with the DC couplers are very simple to use. You'd basically replace the battery with the AC adapter. Usually the camera will have some type of gasket or little door move out of the way so that the cable can come out. It is pretty difficult to decide on an AC adapter from a third party. The main thing that I personally look for is the UL listing. Now that's specific to the United States as far as I can tell, but there are some other qualification agencies that you want to check out. On the AC adapter box, it also says overload voltage protection, overload current protection, power protection, temperature protection, lightning strike protection, and short circuit protection, all in the box. So it's up to you if those are legit, who knows, but it's on there. Let's look at AC adapters for cameras, how they work, how they're useful. Again, thanks to F1TP for sending me a set of adapters to use as examples in the video. Scott Photography Bonsai, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks. I'll have links in the description for the specific adapters that I used in the video if you want to check those out.